Welcome to the Moiz and Zahra channel, where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons, and let's get started. So here they ask us solve the following: 49 plus 72, 325 plus 68, 37 plus 2009, 26 plus 437, 3092 plus 897. Let's copy all of this down right here. That's good. Now, let's solve. 9 plus 2.
9 plus 2, 10, 11.
Okay. Let's add. 7 plus 4.
8, 9, 10, 11. Again.
And plus 1.
12.
Okay, 121. Let's write it down. 121. Okay, next one. 5 plus 8.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay, 13. 6 plus 2.
7, 8.
Plus 1.
9.
Okay, 9. And then we had the 3, it stays. And let's write it down now. 393. Okay, now for the 2009 plus 37, what's 9 plus 7?
But it says 37 first.
Yeah, so we put the bigger number up first, so it's not confusing, right?
Oh, okay.
But you can do the other way as well. But I prefer this one.
It's easier?
Yeah. 9 plus 7 is?
17.
No. 9 plus 7 is going to be how much?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Okay, 16. So, what's 3 plus 1?
4.
Okay, and what's 0
2.
stays there, and so does the 2. So, answer will be 2046.
I thought it was 246.
No, you have to have the 0 as well because there's 2009. You can't just reduce it because we're adding. Okay?
But I thought the zeros don't matter.
The zeros do matter when it's between something. But after a decimal, then it doesn't matter, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
It's a decimal.
A decimal is like we don't learn that right now. So okay, so 7 what is 7 plus 6?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay, 3 plus 1. And 3 plus 2 is?
6.
Plus 1?
6.
No, 3 plus 2. Oh yeah, 6. Okay, and 4 stays, right?
Yeah.
Let's write this down. 463, right? Okay, now. What's 7 plus 2?
9.
Good job. You knew that straight away. 9 plus 9?
Yeah, I remember that. Oh, double numbers. 18.
Oh, good job. You remember that as well. 8 plus 1?
9.
Good job. And 3 stays, right? Okay, let's write this down. 3,989. And we're done. Thank you for watching.